Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesdays. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss How To Tuesdays. I save you time, I save you money, I feature some pretty cool topics, and every once in a while I share my driving tips I learned on my family's go-kart track. But today is all about the 2021 Kia Seltos and how you use the remote starter, because you think it'd be easy, but it's a two-step process. Step one, make sure you lock the doors. You don't want anybody rolling away with it. Then there's this little button on the key fob that you need to hold, and that is your remote starter. Give it a hold and eventually it will start. And it doesn't want to start today, so let's try it again. Hold. Second time's always the charm. So guys, you gotta push the lock button first and then hold the button until it starts. But you don't want to miss next week's Feature Car Friday, where I do a full review on the 2021 Kia Seltos all-wheel drive. For now, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesday. Because trust me, I usually get it right on the first try. And you don't want to miss Feature Car Friday. Thanks guys.